Hello there, my name is Icholia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your website responsive with Elementor. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, I'll urge you to consider subscribing and click on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Well, let's get into it. So this is the website I created. Okay, and if you didn't watch this video, I'm going to put also a link in the description so that you can be able to watch it and see how I created this website. So from here, today we want to make this website responsive, whereby anybody can view it in the smartphone or maybe a tablet. Okay, so the first step where we are going to come, we'll click here on responsive mode. Then from here, let's start with a tablet. So this is how it is going to look in the tablet. Okay, this is how it is going to look in the tablet. So far I can see it is looking well, but there are 2 or 3 things we are going to fix. Okay, first let's start from the bottom, from the top. From the top here, now I want to click here, and then I'll come here to style, and then from the style I'll come here to typography. Click here on typography, and then I'm going to reduce it a bit like that, and then I'm going to add it, let's say until there looks good. And then I'll come here to advanced, click on advanced, and then I'll click here on padding. So from the padding, I want to add some padding on top. Let's say I'm going to put something like, let's say 150. Let's say 150. Yes, like this, so that my face can look very good. Okay, can be visible very well. This part here looks nice. I have no issue with this part. This part doesn't have any issue. But also, as you can see, this part is having some small space, but here the space doesn't look good. So what I'm going to do, I'll click here, and then I'll come here to advance. From advance, I'll click here, and then I'll say on the left side, let's make it 30. No, not the left side, it is on the right side. The right, let's make it 30, like so. Now we are having a space at the end here. Okay, then we continue, then we come in this part. This part looks very good. We have some space here, which is good. And then let's continue. We come here down. This part of films, you can see there is a very big space here. So I'm going to click here, this part, and then I'll go to advanced. From advanced, I'll go to margin. From the margin here, I'll unlink it, and then on top, I'm going to minus it. Okay, let's say until, I'll tell you when it is looking good. Let's say 65. Let's say 65 is okay. Then let's continue. If you see this part, this one looks perfect. Okay, it looks perfect, really. This one looks perfect. So here also you will see this part here is the same as this one, which is better. Okay, then here we will see these photos the way they are. We don't have a breathing space here. Okay, so I'll click here, or in fact what we will do, we will click here, and then we'll come here to advance, and then we unlink. Then the bottom part, let's say in the bottom we will put 30, like this. You see now 30 is looking good, and then the spacing here very small. Okay, but I bet it is looking good like that, so we don't have issue with that. Then we head down again. Then the downer part, as you can see, this space looks perfect. Then this part here, these two, the way they look, there is no space at this side and this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, and then I'll come here to advance. From advance, I'll click here, then I'll say on the right side I'll make 30 pixels, and then on the left also I'll make 30 pixels, like so. You see now we have a space here. It is breathing very nice. Okay, and then also here there is a small issue here. This space is not enough, so I'm going to click here. Let's say we will click here and then click on advanced again. Then we come here to margin, and then we say on the right side, let's make it 30. On the left side, let's say on the left side, make it 30, like so. And then on the right side also, we are going to make it 30, like that. But you can see my image now is gone, not good. So I'm going to disable this one, like this. I think we will leave it this way. It's looking good. Doesn't have any issue. Then here, this part is looking good. Now, once you have done that, you will come and click update, like so. Then now our website is looking perfect. Okay, looking perfect now. Now let's continue. Let's go now to a smartphone. So here, click on the mobile. Let's see now. You can see now in the mobile the way the name Icholia Kamais looks. It doesn't look good. So the first thing we need to do, we click here, and then we go to style. From the style, we go to typography, and then the typography, we are going to reduce this wording maybe to be like this. Like this looks good. And then this one, I have no issue with that. Here also I don't have issue with that. Now the issue start beginning from here. As you can see, there is no spacing here. Okay, so I'll click here, and then I'll come here to padding. Click here on padding and link it, and then I'm going to say on the right side, let's make it 30, like this. You see now the way it is looking perfect. Looking perfect. There is a space here, and there is a space on this other side. We continue. This part here, as you can see, it's looking good, but there is a very big space here. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on this icon, and then I'll click here on advanced. From advanced, I'll click here. I'm going to minus it. Okay, so I'm going to start working like this until when I see it's looking perfect now. Okay, I think 50 looks good. Okay, and then you can see there is no space here. All these things are touching each other. I don't need it that way, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on this. No, not that one. It is here. I'm going to click on this one, and then I'll come here to advanced. From advanced, then I'll say on bottom, let's make it 30. And then actually I didn't unlink it, so I'm going to click here. Then I'll say on bottom, I'll make it 30, and then I'll come and click on this one, and then also advanced bottom, I'll make it 30 again, like that. And then this one, I'm going to click on this one, and then also click on advanced, and then bottom here I'll do 30, like so. Then I need to do some small adjustment, so I'll click here. Let's say this one. I'm going to click on this one, then I'll come here, link it. Then I'll say on bottom, let me do 30. There's nothing changing because we are doing everything. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this one is touching top of this one, so I'll click here, and then I'll click on advanced. Then on top, I'm making it 30. No, it's not right, but on top we make it 30, like so. Now you can see this one and this one, the top is looking good. Then I'm going to click here, and then I will copy, and then I'll click on this, and I paste the style. Also I'll click on this, and then I paste the style. Now it is looking perfect. Okay, let's go ahead. This one doesn't look bad, but the space here is too big, so I'll click here and then I'll come here to advance. Then I'm going to deduct. No, not there. Let's delete this one. I'm going to unlink, so this is where I want to head. Okay, think this way looks good. And then as you can see, the videos are here. In fact, if you have not subscribed, all these videos, they are very good. As you can see, they are good. They will teach you, and then you'll earn a living. You'll earn a living. Okay, so let's continue. All this one is looking good. Now we will come to this part. There is a very big space, so I'm going to click here and then I'll click on advance. From advance, I'm going to click here so that I can push it like this. 50 looks to me good. 50 looks nice. Then this one, there is no enough space. Like you can see, there is a space here, but here there is no space, so I'm going to click here and then I'll come here to advance. From advance, I'm going to click on this padding and link it, and then on the right side, let's say I'm going to make it 30, and then on the left side also we are going, let's say 30 looks big, let's say 20, let's make it 20 like that, and then on the left also we make it 20. But I can see the spacing is too big now. Too big. Let's say 15. Let's make it 15. Yeah, I think 15 can do. Like this. Yeah, this one looks nice now. So we continue. All this looks perfect, except this wording. And then I'm going to click here and then advance. From advance, I'll merge. Then I'm going to make it 5 small. Let's say 10. Yes, 10 looks good. 10 looks good. Okay, then we continue. This one looks perfect. I have no problem with this one. Also this one, but as you can see here, it is touching this part, so I'm going to click advance. From advance, I'm going to click here. Then on top, let's make it let's say 20. Let's say 20. Yeah, 20 looks perfect. Then this part, as you can see, there is a very big space here. We click on this part here, go to advance, we unlink, and then no, it's here on margin, so we click here. Let's click here to push it ahead a bit. 50 looks good. As you can see, the rest of the parts is looking good. Even the map is looking good. Now this is how we make our website responsive. Okay, you can see this one is looking perfect, right? So after that, I'm going to update it like so. See now what we have done. Our website is looking responsive. Okay, let's go back. We click here. If you see on the tablet is looking perfect. Okay, tablet is looking very nice. Then if we go back to our desktop, on the desktop it's looking still very good, right? So guys, that's the end of our video. And if you didn't subscribe, kindly subscribe, because there are very good things that I'm going to create, and we will learn together. Okay, peace.